So I owe you guys a huge explanation for my dry behind hair, for my inconsistent uploading videos. Like, I owe you guys a lot of explanation. So we're gonna dive right into this on this video. Y'all go ahead and stay tuned.
I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Hey there, my kings, coils, and curls, and welcome back to my channel, Fine Coils. It is your girl Sharice, and well,
how you doing?
Really quick before we get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, and make sure you hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I do have to apologize to you guys first of all. I have not been as consistent as I need to be.
Okay.
I normally am supposed to post every Tuesday and every Saturday morning, but lately my posts have been random Tuesdays, random Saturdays, any other day of the week that I try to get my video out. And that is because I've had a lot going on in my personal life. It's been a little bit rough, and you know, my morale has been kind of down, but we getting back up there. I got a new job, so videos will be coming out. I'm probably gonna change up my video schedule, but God is still opening up the windows and doors and the opportunity. Despite all that is going on, God has still been working. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video while I restore this dry hair of mine. So with restoring my super duper duper dry high porosity hair, I have to take my time. So I didn't want to go in right away with just shampooing my hair because it was super tangled as well. So what I started off with was a bentonite clay mask, and what that's going to do is not only is it going to detoxify and pull all that gel and gunk out of my hair, but it's going to help my hair clump. It's going to soften and start that detangling process for me. You guys know I love bentonite clay. If you guys have never seen me do it before, I will make sure to link a video in the cards for you. I did my bentonite clay mask last night, and then afterwards, instead of deep conditioning, sealed the moisture in with coconut oil. Both were kind of like my step 1 and step 2 to restoring the moisture and getting all of that back in my hair. So, you know, it's a couple steps. It's a process. It's a process. So now I am clarifying all that gunk up out of my hair, and I am using my Afro G keratin and green tea shampoo. Very moisturizing, and it actually helps to really clump and start the detangling process. So that's why I'm able to detangle my hair with this. So I'm just taking my time because there is a lot of oil on my hair. So I'm just taking my time to get that removed. So yeah, I was putting out videos and I was getting sponsorships, but you know, my pride was a little shot. You know, I didn't really want to, I guess. I just was doing it because I was trying to keep up a facade. But I even considered quitting YouTube altogether and just stopping my channel.
Are you serious to me right now?
But then I was like, you know what? Everything happens for a reason. You know, God started talking to me and whatnot, so. And then I got a job again, and I got it for the times that I needed. I was able to get the weekends off, holidays off. I'm an essential worker, so you know that comes with benefits of its own. You know what I'm saying? So God had a plan all along for me, you know? And in the midst of all of that, like I said, I was still getting sponsorships. I still am getting sponsorships. I just got reached out to by a company just yesterday. So there's gonna be an unboxing video coming soon. So yeah, you know, God is working. Just stay faithful, remain steadfast, and yeah.
I better listen now. I'm telling you, that's a word.
And I'm gonna go wash this out. So really quick before I start, for those of you that are new to the Afro-G protein treatment, I have a video and I will leave it linked up in the cards. But with that Afro-G treatment, you want to cleanse your hair, and then you want to apply the Afro-G treatment to kind of like damp, not soaking wet hair. So my hair is a little too wet for this right now, but I'm high porosity, so it's gonna dry real quick. You want to apply that to your hair from roots to ends, ends to roots, either way it goes, and kind of like finger detangle and leave it. You don't really want to twist it or manipulate it once it's applied to your hair. So once it's on your hair and it's starting to dry, you need to leave it alone, because your hair is going to get really hard and crispy, crunchy, and it can break off, like literally snap right off at that point. So once it's all applied, you either want to sit under a hooded dryer, or you want to use like a handheld dryer to kind of speed up the drying process, because that kind of is what activates the protein in it. And it just does its thing, and when it's completely dry, you just, wash that thing off with hot, not warm water, but hot water. Wash it off, because your hair is going to be really, really, really stiff. And go into step 2, which is the protein moisture balance conditioner. I actually don't have that, so I'm just going to use another really conditioning deep conditioner. It is the Curlsmith Moisture Recipe Double Cream Deep Quench Deep Conditioner. And I have used this once before, and this has become a favorite, like a favorite. Like, it says it's a deep conditioner for dry and dull hair. It's ultra moisturizing, enhanced, and revitalizing. And some of its key ingredients are organic avocado, rose of Jericho, that's trending, raw aloe vera juice, organic apricot, and raw andiroba. And yeah, that's what that looks like. I will make sure to leave a link in the description box for you guys. You can either get this at Ulta or Ulta's website, or at curlsmith.com. And it smells absolutely divine. It is thick, but it's like creamy thick, just like what it says. It's a double cream. Yeah, I love this. So I'm gonna go in with this after applying my protein treatment, because my hair is gonna really need some moisture. It really needs some protein, and it's gonna really need some moisture. I'm gonna speed this up. Right now I'm just detangling my hair so that it makes it easier to apply my protein treatment. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you definitely want to make sure that you shake this up really, really well and just get it applied to your hair as best you can. It's really messy, really runny, and really sticky, but just try to move fast, get it saturated all throughout your hair before it starts to dry and get hard. Alrighty, so I have applied all of the protein treatment, and it does not smell good. So if you've never used this before and you're gonna try it, there's a little disclaimer: it smells horrible, but it works wonders. So this is the last time I am going to be touching it. I'm just trying to get it all off of my neck and my ears. I'm going to go ahead and dry my hair and rinse this out once it's completely dry and hard, and deep condition my hair, and we will be back to start the styling process, because I got some new stuff. All right, that's much better because the time is changing and it is getting darker. So I have rinsed out my protein treatment. I have applied my deep conditioner and rinsed that out. So this is my hair naked, and you see the curls are coming back on their own. The shine is coming back. It looks like little particles are in my hair, but that is just the shine. So we are going to go ahead and go on into styling. I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of fall asleep with the deep conditioner in my hair, so if it looks a little frizzy, that's what happens when you leave deep conditioner on high porosity hair for too long. Luckily, like I said, we were just washing out a protein treatment, so it didn't do a whole lot of damage. Now, I'm going to go in with this as my leave-in conditioner, which is the Do We Want Ease Texture Tamer. And this is a smoothing leave-in conditioner. And then right on top of that, we are gonna go in with the Do Mousse Def Texture Mousse, or Texture Foam. And so this first, this on top of it, and I'm going to attempt to do a twist out. So my theory is my hair is getting thicker and longer. So when I use like my favorite gels and stuff like the Main Choice, you know, you put on a leave-in conditioner or a cream and that gel, it's taking like 24 to 36 hours for my hair to dry. It takes like more than a day now for my hair to dry. So I'm hoping if we just use the mousse this time, it should cut the drying time in half. No? So you guys already know how twist outs go. If you do not, I will have it linked above in one of the cards for you of how I do my twists, take them down, separate, and fluff. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and just install my twists using both of these, and then I will come back once they're dry and I have taken them down and fluffed in. My hair is completely done because you don't need to see all of that. You didn't see all the important stuff. Now let's just show you what my hair looks like now and see if the moisture is restored, which I'm pretty sure it is. So I'll be back to wrap this video up, okay? Hey you guys, and so I am back. My hair is completely done. I'll be honest, like I said, you guys, my hair is getting longer, it's getting denser, and so it is taking longer for my hair to dry, and I did get a new job, so I had to go to work in the morning really early, and when I took my twists down, they weren't completely dry. Wait! However, I have got to try this as a wash and go, because I don't know if you can see all this definition. Like I got frizz because the ones in the middle weren't completely dry, which is why I had to put it in a puff, but I got so much definition from a foam.
Are you serious? Sit down.
This was my leave-in and this was my styler. Just this foam, or mousse, excuse me, this mousse. Now, funny story about this mousse. I have heard about this brand back in the summer of 2018. I was new, not new to the natural hair community, but I was getting more into things, you know what I'm saying? I was relearning, all the characteristics of my hair, and I did try this back in 2019 when I first started washing and going my hair and learning how to properly do it, and it did not turn out well for me. But now that my hair and my curls are actually trained, I figured, let me give this a try as a wash and go, because this twist out came out bomb. Other than the fact that a couple of twists weren't dry. but that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna definitely give these two a try as a killer combo wash and go, because the killer combo twist out definitely worked. But this video wasn't about that. This video was simply about restoring my super duper dry hair and kind of just explaining to y'all why I've, you know what I'm saying? So it's because I got a new job. It's because this new job has a new schedule, which once I figure out what my new schedule is as far as posting videos, I will definitely update all of you guys. And like I said, I have more sponsored videos coming. I even have a giveaway or two coming, so definitely stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications. If you are just watching my videos and have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Alright, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And you guys already know I will see you in my next video.